In this video, I'll show you how to access live TV on LG TV. Step 1. Verify antenna or cable connection. Connect your antenna or cable line securely to the appropriate port, antenna in or cable in on the TV. Step 2. Choose TV as source. Press the input or source button on your remote. Select TV from the list of sources. Step 3. Scan for live channels. Access the settings or menu on your remote. Go to Channels, Broadcast or Tuning Settings. Select Auto Tuning or Auto Scan to search for available live channels. Step 4. Enjoy your live TV. You can now use the channel up, down, or number buttons to switch between channels. You can also adjust your volume and picture settings as you desire. And that's how you watch live TV on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Have a nice day.